One of the major essential items in a man's closet are shirts. You can literally make a whole outfit look good with just a shirt. Check this out. After watching this video, you will turn from this to looking like this. Since we don't waste time here at Godly Energy, let's get straight to what type of essential shirts you should have in your closet. First of all, you should choose what colors you want, and you have to choose it wisely. Always stick to faded colors. Don't choose those bright neon colors unless you can pair them well with other outfits, which is really hard, so don't get them. Wearing neon colors just shows that you're young, naive, and still going through that highlighter stage that elementary school kids are still going through. It just makes you look like an elementary school kid. Faded colors like gray, white, black makes you seem more mature, and it can be paired with multiple outfits. Try not to get those weird Nike t-shirts with cringy quotes like, "Just do it. Impossible is nothing. Too cool for school. I wet my bed cause I'm too cool." Stuff like that you should avoid. Try your best to get a plain shirt without prints. I mean, if you're going for like the Korean or Chinese style like K-pop stars, then try to find shirt prints that are similar to those styles. Prints that actually look good, not just weird check marks and then random quotes. Next, try to find the right fitting shirt. Clothes that fit right will definitely look good on you no matter what. Now, I personally don't like those oversized shirt styles like the Korean styles. It just doesn't seem right. It just doesn't fit right. And if you're muscular, it doesn't really define your structure. People like a guy who seems to be strong, and oversized clothes don't really outline that. If you're skinny, then choose a Korean style that are large, loose shirts, since they look especially better on skinny people. If you're muscular, then choose a true to fit or true to size shirt to outline your muscles. If you're working out and not wearing a shirt that fits you, then why are you even working out? And if you're buying a shirt in real life, not online stores, try to get the sleeve above your bicep so you can show off your muscles if you have them. Do not get those sleeves that are way too low, like all the way to your elbow, since it just makes it look way too oversized and just doesn't look like a fit right unless you're looking for like the Korean style. Next, the brand. You don't really need to buy expensive Gucci shirts since they're expensive as hell and they're basically the same quality as the dollar store. Just buy an off-brand shirt or some sort of cheap brand shirt that makes you look good. It's all about looking good. No one actually cares about the brand. If the girl you're chasing do care about the brand of the shirt, then she isn't the one. That is obviously a gold digger and you should just leave her. I would recommend Calvin Klein package deals or just any cool shirts that come in a deal. If you do have money, then choose ASRV Sportswear. This is not sponsored, I just like their shirts and pants. It just looks so cool. Like, just look at this cool stuff. Bro. Well, that's Godly Energy. And subscribe and like so you can get all the ladies like Godly Energy do. And I'll see you guys next time.